Hey guys, what's going on? Christmas season is upon us, so I'm here to tell you a little bit about my favorite ornament. Throat's a little dry, have a cold, but this is inspired by my favorite Christmas movie, which is Christmas Vacation. If you guys haven't seen it, it's hilarious. It's like a 1980s movie starring, I'm drawing a blank as to what his real name is, but he's Clark Griswold in all the National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation and all the National Lampoon movies. Oh, Chevy Chase. So this is Chevy Chase's character, Clark Griswold. It's hilarious. It says a couple funny things, which I'll show you guys. It's Magic Sound Christmas ornament. I actually got it for my husband because I know how much he loves this movie and he thinks that this ornament's hilarious. So this ornament is called Meowie Christmas by Hallmark, actually. It's a Hallmark Keepsake ornament. National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation Christmas tree ornament. I've had this for like 3 years now, and we always place it in like the center of the tree so that everyone could see it because it's just funny and we love it. It says, love keepsakes, join the club, Keepsake Ornament Club, kocmembers.com, 800-Hallmark, and that's the number you could call if you're a Canadian resident. Hallmark ornaments are really nice. They last forever. I have Hallmark ornaments from like early 1990s, like sitting in my attic, and they still work and they're still really nice. So they're long lasting and they're definitely nice keepsakes. They make nice gifts for people, or if you just want to buy one, buy one for yourself as well. So on the side here it says believe in magic. On the back it says, in National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, the Griswolds receive the gift that keeps on, well, meowing. Realizing confused Aunt Bethany has wrapped her own cat as a Christmas present, Clark begrudgingly releases it into their already chaotic Christmas, unleashing a whole lot of trouble, especially for the ill-fated kitty. So in the movie, Aunt Bethany, she's supposed to be like a little bit like delusional older woman. She wrapped her cat for Clark Griswold's son, and it's just funny. And the cat ends up making a mess, and this is really not funny because I'm actually a huge animal person, but it gets electrocuted. That's like the one part of the movie I have to say I don't like. But the whole scene where they're like unwrapping the cat or realizing that the cat is wrapped in the box is hilarious. If you guys, it's a classic Christmas movie, so I'm sure most of you guys have seen it. They always have it on like ABC Family and stuff every Christmas. So it says press the button on the ornament to hear dialogue from the classic scene. Then it's battery operated. Batteries are included. And I believe when I first bought it, they were already in there. And on the back here, it says manufactured for Hallmark Marketing Company, LLC in Kansas City, Missouri, produced in Sri Lanka, and it is artist crafted. On the bottom here, you'll see the barcode for decorative use only. Then you have the WB Warner Brother little tag right there. Copyright Warner Brothers Entertainment Incorporated, www.warnerbrothers.com. Little barcode. And then this is 2015 that I bought it, but obviously they still sell it. They probably just changed the year on it. Easy to open box. Says this device complies with Part 15 of the FCC rules. Operation is subject to the following 2 conditions. 1, this device may not cause harmful interference, and 2, this device must accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired operation. Say replace 1.5 volts LR44 button cell batteries with only A76 L44 AG13 or equivalent. Caution, do not mix old and new or different battery types. And yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the ornament. Okay, this is the Christmas Vacation ornament. Love it. And you push the button.
She wrapped up her damn cat.
Take it in the kitchen and open it up.
Don't have a cat running around the house.
Can't leave it in the box.
Why would somebody wrap up a cat in a box?
She gets confused, Rusty. She's old. She and Uncle Louis don't have much money, so she takes things from around the house, wraps them up, and gives them away as presents.
Great. Can't wait to see what I got.
So it's so funny, and it's actual audio from the movie, so that's exactly what it sounds like. And then you guys could see Clark, like as pictured in the box with the gift. He's holding the gift up to his ears so he could hear the cat meowing inside. It's so ridiculous, but it's just so funny. The whole movie's funny, and that's why we love this ornament. It's just silly. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and I thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found it useful.